This video, I'll show you how I make my own album covers, step by step. Firstly, we will need Affinity. It's like Photoshop, but it's free. The link to it will be in the description. Let's first source our images, a background and a character for the focal point. Copy my settings shown here. You will fit the background to your liking. Now, search Photopea so we can remove the character's background. You can use a preset, but make sure background is on, transparent. My laptop died. Anyways, you will have to watch a 30-second ad to remove background. Export it as PNG. Start making your title. This is an important part. Go to New Style and change the font to your liking. Keep in mind, it will change later on in the next step. Now go to Vector and choose New Warp Group, then click Quad. Do what I do.
Ay, contigo yo me pierdo. Como un tiempo me tienes dando vueltas, baby. Dando vueltas, baby, baby. Ay, pégate a un ladito de mí. Pégate a un ladito de mí.
You are then going to export it. Go to ChatGPT and upload the image you made. After that, just copy what I wrote, but you can make changes to it. This was just a quick one. And it's done. You now have your cover. If it's not how you like, you can edit it. I am actually a music producer. Check out my music.